Hello guys, it's me, Swagboy12, and right now, Mommy's is being very tutorial right now. And right now, she's just eating her food, getting her healthy on and stuff like that. She walks. But guess what? Dun dun dun! There's another cat right there. You see it? She's right there. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I just want to film what's gonna happen right now. I already can see what's gonna happen, and I want to film it. Sorry. Mommy's is big right there. They both they're looking at something. Uh-oh. They're going. We'll see. What is it? Is it another cat? Is it another thing? I'm following her. You see something? Mommy's is looking at something as well. I don't see nothing. We're just gonna follow her and see where she's gonna go. Oh, Mommy's is cowering. But this one right here. Oh, she's looking at us. She's looking at us. She's going for something. She's going for something. Oh, it's just one of the humans going passing by. Oh, there she goes. There goes Mommy's. Following. Look at her! Oh my gosh! There goes Mommy's. Oh, something bad's gonna happen. Gotta go. There she goes. There she goes. You see this? See this right here? Right here? This is one of the champions. And that one is over there, Mommy's. She's coming up to her. She's coming up. She's coming up. They pass by. Mommy's is literally stuck under the car because she doesn't want to go near this one right here. Uh-oh. Who's that? Uh-oh. That's Baby. That's one of them. That's one of the sisters of mine. Uh-oh, there goes the champion. There she goes. Uh-oh. You saw that? She hissed. She's going at it. Mommy's, do something. Save your sister. Go. Save it. Save her. She's in trouble. Go save her. Go save her. What are you doing? No! What are you doing? Welp. Looks like she's gonna get our territory. Oh, Mommy's is coming back. And I don't know where she's going. Okay, he's gotta silently. There we go. She didn't even notice me. That's nice. Okay. I took a pic. Take another pic. Okay. The cat is going somewhere near Mommy's is territorial. Baby has let her know that I don't want you near me, something like that. Something like a little hiss, like something like that. Alright, little girl's coming towards her. There's Mommy's over there. Okay. Uh-oh. There she comes. I see her. There's Baby. There's Mommy's. Right over there. Oh, there goes Baby. There she goes. She retreats. There goes Mommy's. Okay guys, Mommy's got scared and she ran upstairs. But I couldn't film that. So, maybe on Sunday I'm gonna be busy because I'm gonna be filming some people, rappers and stuff. They're gonna come over here, stuff like that. They told me to film, so we're gonna be busy tomorrow, right? Alright, so we're gonna go in here real quick. Alright, little girl has retreated too. This is baby. She's inside right now. She runs away. Kitties, mommies. Well, she's gonna watch over the camp. Looks like little girl retreated. Looks like it. So, alright guys. So, Mr. Pillow, we're going to business. Whoa!